You can import data into an InDesign document. The process in InDesign is known as place. To import text into an InDesign document, select your Type tool, click an insertion point where you wish to place your text, go File and Place, navigate to your text file, select the text file and click Open. The text will then populate the text frame. To place a graphic into your document, switch to the Selection tool, select the frame in which you wish to place your content. The same process that you use to place text, go File and Place. Select the file you wish to place into your selected graphic frame. You can place both pixel-based graphics and vector-based graphics. Selecting another graphic frame, I'm going to go File and Place. This time I'm going to select a vector-based graphic and place that into the document. Using the Place command means you can place graphics in from various different locations. So working with your basic building blocks, frames, you can add content to any document.